You don't think that is something that has been fixed as a fix the country advocate? Your brain thinking Gamshi didn't tell you, say, Okatechi free fire and all these fools are just lying to you because they know you are vulnerable. Woman say, we are vulnerable, Ntino. So you can't say Bema will say, Bema will say, ya, Udimika Bebe video machi. Now, no the what Jenny will picture, and the Omo yeah, they there by, and no, they there more yeah, what Takra do. No alternative. Mahama and yet you yate. Ekufuado ye you yate. Na mo so e de na mo de ba. Oh me common sense family. Me ne sa boy gymie fu mi na me ka say Nyankopon ni ono. A e kire me be se ma no say Nyankopon wo ho na enso me nje Bible ni Quran ndi no. E ye me aye frame avamochi common sense family mu medi machi. Oh, e ye me na ye frame Captain Gymie me na ebre bi me be ka kire mo say Commander Sugar Factory awie e wo bra na esi kire ba akokora ni ho no. Ah, me kwa jiji ebro chirefo sika say ye babe ye sebi ambulance nwe adwuma ba akokora ma me record no oh me na ye frame katechi free fa me so me dia ne said ayi zuka Vicky zuka na me brobro no me gymie sema ne say mate baba shop me ton kalomo wo ntimo fa ga na enhye me nsa school a me kɔ de enam kɔ konsa ne gymie ntimi ntumi nkɔ wie me da so tege mpa wo level 400 enso ye fa ga na enhye me nsa Yantu Mahamengu, Yantu Wengu by Yenim de Muni na Friba. Munina, we know where you are coming from. And it will not wash. Ekufuado is resolute. Dr. Baumia is firm. NPP party is strong, even though we have some fools who are in there causing mayhem because they are people who were not chosen as DC is a gymie for, but that is for another day. But Ekufuado is working for the youth. Now, when Okatechi Frifa came to you at the beginning, and you are telling me, I don't know your good policy. Nembumianto abenguna be prepra. A good policy, Sadiq. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Dr. Baumia is telling you, say, rental allowance. Because you, Bradik, and the people going for this face the country people. Adding because more rent somewhere, the rent control eba. So that once you work, we will deal with your sebe landlord directly. And you know, landlord in bet to your rent, amano. Now landlord be mbebu kom MB2. You rather choose a prapra over such a policy. You will choose a prapra over one district, one factory. Oh, Charlie. Oh my God. Mr. Drew, I'm even ashamed. That's my fairy pool. Wow. Ghana youth. Anyways. I'm going to join me. When him say series, the Amayeno and Amayeno. Idea Bakuna Nam Pesimuhu. Revolution has never helped Ghana. I said the only language these idiot politicians understand is demonstration. Mepacho, let me tell you something. Demonstration never solved anything. And coup d'etats never solved anything. Say, let me just educate you a bit. That should have solved your problem. Because according to you, that is the only language the politicians understand. So if truly the politicians only understand demonstration, now have you forgotten Mahama told you, so are you he's immune to demonstrations? So demonstrations are nothing to them. They don't understand demonstrations. What politicians understand is a serious youth core that knows where they want to be tomorrow, who has their priorities set right. So if it's about S. Gracia, I address S. Gracia. It's about job, I bring alternatives and things that not a pra as an alternative. My brother, you guys are making a mockery and a fool of your own selves. If I was you, I would equip myself so that they say yeah kufuado. Edin Juma Wama Ghana why ya kono. Now me say Ghana youth no minim sa kenkan ni yankinkan yo. Ah, ye the Coca-Cola bagana and I'm we have Firestone no free Nigeria bagana dum something no call you now and then you say you pay country be the Africa Free Trade Center ko edin dwuma ene mpuntu bebre o man no yes Ghana ya fan ko South Africa ya fan ko Tunisia Egypt Nigeria po ya fan ko yes Ghana na babunu a wodi akateche free fechi wadwene ambase now if the country is that bad why are all these people trooping into a country that is bad? Is that telling me say mo no madwene nya adwuma say Sebe, or maya and as investment and your papa, and that is where you guys will put your money. Is that what you people are telling me? Fix the country. Are you telling me, say, a country that is not good, country at Japan, that is where you invest your money? No, as a responsible citizen, I would only go to a country I know the environment is conducive and better enough for business. And to say sign no truck near the idea ba Ghana no Ghana bebu no na san kebo adwum sa impone bia and then no me hu sa reflect on my pocket but niam bi ko yenti na man krofo we no e ba Ghana say be business do ma ama wan fa car company amo or the Chinese for no betu galam say e twa ye rules would call ye why nipa boni aye obi ya de papa ma wa monkai Akufo-Addo and Bawumia still remains the best president ever. So far, me better for Republican Constitution. Yeah, me tesi ese nkroma ye adwuma. But omo mutu nkroma ye no ma be o ma se be gina say red beret ye fa nkroma mbra kwa me nkroma say amen. Na nyansen we ni trim na kan kire ni say nkroma na wo frɛ no no ye de awo kan na tu na aban so. Constitutional overthrow yan tu obi na ni tu na aban so. Mugum hwani mu asio mugum hwani mu ase papa wo hye soja ammunition de e ka soja sem yentu constitution ngu now we the free say nkroma na wo se yombra no soja na tu ngu ye wo se yemfa man hye wonsa gempa level 400 po untumi wie wo se yemfa Ghana hye wonsa obaba shop wo employment for cry o ma wo employ ndu 10 uyi dia otom plako no ha e de kan we bi ebedu ayi wo se yenkoto constitution we ne yemfa hye wonsa ne yemfa kronfo captain gymie for smart yemfa wonya vice into kwame nkruma say man mo yan chini anka magide na Akufo-Addo is working so you guys wake off your high horse and stop the foolery but the money na say o chine nyame ya adoma political zone is on and live. I'll bring you a continuation of the cool situation. September 21st 1979 monkohwe DC wa Ghana. June 4th, Monkoshe DC wa Ghana. September 21st, Monkoshe DC wa Ghana. And these are the dates these people chose to do these kind of demonstrations. We were Ghanaian youth. Why do you say, we date say no muchusu. Why are all the awares about constitutional overthrow and not the amendment of the constitution? On done, you know. Anyways, I'm done for the day. I just decided to give you guys, a little